Hi everyone, I'm Deepal Harya and today I'm going to show you all and give you all some very good tips on how you can organize your makeup in the best possible ways in the least available space. So let's see how that goes. First things first, you need to discard all your old makeup products, especially the ones which have expired. And I'm sure there are so many things which we keep which we don't use for years, but it's still there in the drawer. So first, discard all your extra stuff. So what you can do is you can keep your perfumes and your lotion bottles over here. You can keep it so that whenever you want something, you can easily get it. All your important things which you need in your day-to-day life. You can just keep all your bottles in such a place if you have, and in case you don't, then you can just keep it in your drawer as well. These are my toners and setting sprays and some face oil and even the Johnson Baby oil for removing makeup. On your counter, you can also keep some small organizers like this which have a lot of lipsticks, or you can just keep anything which you use in your day-to-day life and which you can, probably keep it on the counter. And you can just leave your brushes like this. Preferably close them once you're done using it. The use of the brush, it's better that you always close them and keep. You don't want your brush to catch any kind of dust and pollution, so always pack them and keep if you're keeping them outside, or you can keep them inside your drawer. So most of my face makeup is in this organizer, and now we'll move on to the other products. Now I'm going to take a smaller organizer and put all my small palettes like the blush on palette, my highlighter palette, and palettes like that. And I'm keeping it a little slant so that whenever I want to use something, it's just easy for me to pick. And I always choose to keep the headings of all the products in the direction which I can read it, so that it's easy for me to pick whenever I want something. One last organizer which I need to keep any of my extra things like any lip glosses or liners or any pencils, so that everything can just stay intact and doesn't get all mixed. Lastly, I'm just using a small organizer for all my palettes and keeping them in a way that I can see them whenever I need it. You can just keep all your beauty blenders in a glass, some cotton pads if you need, and a powder. This is just a loose powder, so you can just keep everything which is easily accessible. You can just take your important stuff like lashes, tissues, wet tissues, which you don't need regularly but you usually need when you do your makeup, so you can just keep it at the back. Even your Q-tips, and just put it in a way that it's not very visible but it's still there. All my face makeup products, which includes the primer, moisturizer, foundations, concealers, everything, and these are all the highlighters and blush on and anything which is small in size. And these are all my extra products like mascara, lip glosses, and some liquid highlighters and blush on. And these are all the eyeshadow palettes which you require. And some essentials, you can just use a glass and store them. And this is super cute lipstick box, and you can actually put anything, whatever you like over here, something small in size, and make use of that. And if you have such spaces, you can just put all your bottles in there so that they are stacked well. yeah, I hope this organizer guide worked and helped you all in some or the other way, because it took me almost half a day to clean everything and an entire day to clean my entire room after discarding so many things. It was very taxing, but now I feel so relieved and I have so much more space than what I actually thought. So yes, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.